For takeoff. Knee one. Rotate. How's the plane takeoff? The Airbus A320 200 is flying. Goes the left way. Land 150, 40, 20, 10, butter. They land. Passengers are happy.